Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn in this video how to use union and union all operator in SQL Server 2022. So let's get started this video. Now, union operator is used to combine two or more result from the select statement. Like you write a one query and then you write the another query with the help of select command, and then we are merging the data all together. Now, the every statement within the union must have the same column. So if you are using the union operator, you should have the same column in your query 1 and the query 2. The column must have the same data type, so type should not be differ, and the select statement must be in the same order. So you should have the same order in the query 1 and in the query 2. And now here is the example how you can write the union command. So select, this is a column what I used it here from the employee table name, and the I union, it's the same column should be must be here, and this is the another table called employee 1. Now let me show you the example for the union all operator. So it is the same all these things, only the difference is union all operator select only the distinct value by default. So if you used union all, then that means is you will be getting the selected distinct value. So by default the distinct value will select from there. And now here is a command. Now here is the example to write it here. So now let me move it to the SQL server, and then I can show you the practical. So let me start in the SQL and I can show you how you can use the union and union all command. So let's write the select start from, and the table I have that is called a employee, and let me execute this. And now I have the another table that is called a select start from the employee 1, and let's execute both the table together. So now what is happening here, I'm getting the two outputs. One is output here, one is a different output. The union command will help you to merge all these two output, or if you have the 3 or 4 tables also, you can merge a number of table or a number of data in a single one output. So if you go with that, is like a union, and straightforward, if you are just running this, you will get the merge the all these output. But in between, if you are selecting some data from the table 1, and let me remove this and can execute this. If you are selecting the few columns from here, and the same column you need to select it from the another table. So let's see how you can do that. So I'm renaming it's the amp. So it's a amp dot employee id, and so now I selected a the column employee ID. Then let me select the another column that is called emp dot the first name, and then emp and dot the last name. Cool. Now, and the similar way we have to select the same column over here. So emp, let me rename it to emp1, and type emp1 dot the employee id, comma emp1 dot first name, comma emp1 dot the last name. And now we are good with the table. Let's see, let's type the union and execute this. So now we are getting the data. Even though if you want to select some of the data after you filter it out your data, you came up with the final table, then even you can use it now also a one more filtration select, and here it's like employee id emp id from, this. Let me just give it a try. So it's giving me the error select emp underscore id. Why it is not giving me the output? Let me just have a look for it. 1 second. Okay, so employee id from this, and we need to close this table the end of as anything. You can write like a temp, and then you will not be getting any error. So now I got a employee ID, and the similar way you can go for the your table name is a first name and the last name. So that is the second level of filter if you want to use after you do the union. And let me add a blank column over here, like if suppose you need it a one more column. It's like a company, so I can say ABC as company, comma this. So now the company variable, one more column will tag as a company name here, and I'm giving like a your ABC, and this data is from the XYZ company. It's a XYZ. So from here, by seeing the output, I can filter it out from which table what the data is coming. Let me execute this. So company has not came because the company has not added here. Let me write this column name, and now we can get the company name. So here you can see in it, this data is coming from ABC from the first table, and this data is came from the table number 2, and both are the merged here. If there is any distinct value inside this data, then you can go for the union all and execute this. So now we are getting the data that is it's like a with the distinct value. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you soon in my next video.